Hey, what's going on, my entrepreneurial friends? James Jordan here, coming to you with this quick video. And what I want to talk about very, very briefly, I'm going to do my best to get to the point because I got to go down to the gym, right? Is that as an entrepreneur, what's super, super important that can allow you to succeed, especially for those of you that are entrepreneurs that are marketing, promoting your products or services online, whether you're a coach, consultant, affiliate marketer, network marketer, any type of business for that matter. If you are marketing online, one of the simplest, easiest ways for you to be able to stand out in the marketplace is to simply present yourself in a different way, right? So for example, on Facebook, right? A lot of people are hiding behind the screen. They're not getting on camera. They're not delivering value, right? They might take a cookie cutter post that somebody else had, copy and pasted it, maybe added a little spin to it, or getting an image from somebody else and posting it on their wall for engagement and that stuff, right? Well, everybody's doing that. So one of the simplest, easiest ways that you can stand out and attract your ideal audience is by doing something as simple as shooting a video. Literally go out and learn something, do it, right? And then teach it and talk about the results that you created. You know, whether you're reading a book on personal development, whether you're reading a book on traffic or lead generation, or you went through some sort of course, or maybe you just recently went to an event and you picked up one golden nugget, or maybe 10, or maybe 50, or maybe even 100. Just share some of those things, get on camera and share some of those things. You don't have to be perfect. You don't need to be reading from a script. It's actually better if you don't read from a script and just come off the cuff, but have an intention before you get on camera and make sure that you deliver that intention, and then tell people what to do next, whether that's to personally connect with you, to leave a comment below the video, or to go to your website and opt in to learn more about your products and services. One of the simplest ways for you to stand out in the marketplace is to get on camera and do video, because no one can duplicate you, right? With all this stuff going on with AI, yeah, it can be similar, but it's not you. It's not your soul. It's not your spirit. And your spirit and your soul, when you get on camera, you can transmute and transfer your energy into other people, and it'll come back to you, right? And one of the simplest and fastest ways possible. When I first got started marketing online, I gravitated towards video and I got away from it. But going to an event recently and diving back into learning more about me and what worked for me and what I actually like doing, right? It's actually one of the most effective ways that I've used to go out and make money online. So I wanted to share this quick message with you. I hope it resonates with you. Feel free to like this video, leave a comment below, share it on your wall if you feel it can resonate with anybody within your audience, your friends, your network. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you want to personally connect, feel free to reach out to me. However, wherever you're seeing this, whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you find this in the grand space of the internet, feel free to reach out and connect with me, because I'm a real person here to connect with real people. So love you, appreciate you, God bless you. Have a phenomenal day or night, whenever you're watching this in the world. And I look forward to the next one. So until then, take care, be well. Like, share, leave a comment, and I'll check you in the next one. Now I got to go to the gym. Peace.